Every living thing on Earth runs on code. Not in Python or Java, but in DNA. 4 letters, A, T, C, and G, carry the instructions for everything that breathes, grows, or thinks. For billions of years, evolution has been the only programmer. But now, another kind of intelligence is learning the language of life, and it's not human. DNA is nature's software. Just like computers store information with ones and zeros, living cells use those 4 letters to build proteins, the machines of life. If you could stretch all the DNA in your body end to end, it would reach the sun and back, over 600 times. That's how much data life carries. And for decades, decoding it felt impossible. Humans could read little fragments, but we didn't really understand how the code shaped life. Until AI showed up. In 2020, Google DeepMind unveiled AlphaFold, an AI that solved one of biology's biggest mysteries, how proteins fold. For 50 years, scientists tried to predict the 3D shapes of proteins, because shape decides function. AI cracked it in months. Today, AlphaFold has mapped structures for over 200 million proteins, almost every known one on Earth. It's like suddenly unlocking the entire dictionary of life. AI is now used to design enzymes that can eat plastic, or predict mutations that might cause disease before they happen. What used to take labs years, algorithms can now do in minutes. Reading code wasn't enough, we wanted to edit it. Tools like CRISPR-Cas9 let scientists cut and paste genes with microscopic precision. At first, we used it to remove genetic diseases in lab animals. Now AI is teaching CRISPR where to cut, safer, faster, smarter. Companies like in silico medicine use machine learning to design entirely new drugs, molecules that have never existed before. And Colossal Biosciences is literally trying to bring back the woolly mammoth by rewriting elephant DNA. It sounds like science fiction, but the lines between fiction and science are blurring fast. We're moving from natural evolution to designed evolution. In 2023, a team at the University of Cambridge used AI to create the first synthetic genome made entirely by algorithmic design. They didn't copy nature, they generated new combinations of genes, testing them virtually before ever touching a petri dish. This is called in silico biology, experiments that happen inside computers before the real world. It saves time, money, and sometimes even lives. But the power to rewrite life comes with questions. If AI can edit embryos, who decides what's perfect? Could governments use it to build stronger soldiers? Could corporations patent entire species? When algorithms begin to shape evolution itself, biology stops being purely natural. We might fix diseases, reverse aging, even end hunger, but we could also create inequalities written right into our genes. The line between healing and enhancement is thinner than ever. For 4 billion years, evolution was blind, trial and error, mutation and chance. Now intelligence is entering the loop. AI doesn't need millions of years. It can simulate billions of possibilities overnight. The next leap in evolution might not come from nature, but from our own creations. Maybe we won't just cure genetic disorders. Maybe we'll design new senses, new metabolisms, new forms of life entirely. It's both thrilling and terrifying. Because if DNA is the code of life, then AI has just become the newest coder. So what do you think? Is AI giving us the keys to our own evolution, or are we rewriting rules we don't yet understand? Drop your thoughts below. And if you love exploring the edge between science and imagination, subscribe to AI Tells for more mind-bending what-if stories every week.